Hey, I'm Mike Sadler with Speed and Shine TV, and I am here with Scott Ferguson.
Yep.
And we're here with this beautiful hot rod at the Detroit Autorama. And I brought our newest product, Speed and Shine, Intense Shine and Protect. And I'm having Scott try it out on his car because you've cleaned it with another product.
Many different products.
And you noticed what?
Yeah. Some have a haze, some don't quite do what I want it to do, and it's black.
Yeah.
Anybody with a black car knows what little upkeep.
So what you want to do is you want to spray a little product on the panel. You don't want to go too large. Spray a little on your rag because you never want to put a dry rag on a car, and then use unfold the towel to a dry surface and then buff it and see how that goes, and we'll compare both sides. So go ahead and do that. Yeah, I see it's working pretty good there.
Like the feel of it.
Does it seem pretty easy to come off too?
Oh, it comes off very nice. I got nothing to...
And don't be afraid to get it on the chrome. It can be used on chrome, glass, plastic, anything.
Yeah. So I don't know if the camera's going to pick up the difference, but I can definitely see.
And you know, it's very smooth.
Mm-hmm.
And then so on this side, if you pull back, you can kind of see there's a little bit of there's a haze.
So I just wiped this down an hour ago with the other. It's actually
like right in here compared to there. It's also seemed to fill in the scratches a little bit, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, all cars, no matter how good you buff and wet sand them, if you wipe them, even the most careful person.
Well, and the best part is you can feel there's something to it. It's not, some of the ones I bought are like water, where you don't feel like you're gonna actually clean anything. This has a little substance to it, and so
yeah, that's right on words. Yeah, I can see it's taking that off pretty easy. So what I'm worried is sometimes I see people use certain products, especially if they use them in the hot sun. After a while, when I walk by, I can tell that it's leaving a film, a milkiness to it, right?
This is actually taken straight off. I don't see the film.
And you're not going to get that milkiness buildup with this. The more you use it, the better it's going to look and the shinier it's going to get, and it keeps offering that, protection for up to 6 months. And your car doesn't get driven in the rain and stuff, so of course it'll last a whole lot longer than that.
So I can definitely see a difference.
Yeah. It is.
Now I want to do the rest of the car.
Well, you can. So what do you think?
I'm really impressed, actually.
Yeah.
That's just it.
And good. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's just it. I'll be the first to buy a bottle, and now I'm going to finish doing the car with it. Pardon me.
All right, go ahead.
Yep. No, I'm definitely a fan. I can feel the difference. I mean, it's a black car. Obviously.
You feel your rag not drag as much. Am I right?
Exactly. And I said, obviously, it's a black car. I'm constantly wiping it down. You can tell the difference, and I've used quite a few different products.
Well, I wish the camera picked it up because the door is blacker now than the
I can feel the difference. The haze is coming off
now, right?
You can actually feel it where the other stuff is leaving behind. This is actually cleaning it. I'm trying. This is helping too. I can see it with my eye, definitely. Because there's actually a haze. I don't know if you can focus in on some of the reflections of the, pick a light that's reflecting. I don't know if it'll show the clarity, but I can see with my eye there's a difference. Say, if you're going to train in here, this is where you're going to see the difference. Very impressed.
Yeah, I love seeing it work on a black car.
So you can actually feel the rag dragging and then let go. You can tell the stuff's coming off and then it's nice and smooth. I am definitely impressed, man. That's, considering I just wiped this down in about an hour before you got here, that's, yeah, whole different, no haze. I'm sold, not just because I know you, I'm sold. Anybody with a dark car especially would know the difference.
Thank you.